Hi, my name is Bailey, and I am the owner and creator of Eventful Style Co. Our products are massive portfolios of exclusive and realistic images that you can blend together to create visual mock-ups and scenes for your client's event. So if you are an event planner, an event stylist, a balloon artist, or something similar, you're going to love these tools that you can create in order to help your clients visualize what they're going to get on the day of their event. So this is really good in terms of building trust between you and your client, showcasing your skills and talents, and just kind of creating some expectations between the two of you. It's also a really good tool to include in the different pack out lists that you have for your team. So as they are packing up for your event, they can have a final image of what the end result is supposed to look like. So that kind of helps just so things aren't missed and everything's nice and organized. So today I just wanted to run you through our templates and just kind of show you how they're used, how you download them, and just some different things that you can come up with. So our shop is on Etsy. That's how we sell our products. And so if you have purchased a template from Etsy, you will receive a PDF and it will come in a link to your email. It will also show up in your Etsy account. And so when you open it up, it's going to look something a little like this. This particular one includes images and templates. So if you purchase a folder that way, everything's going to be separated. So images will be a link, and then templates will be a link, things like that. So you'll open up this, it'll have all your links on the first page. It's just kind of a basic instruction guide on how to download, how to upload into Canva. It's going to have the links to the different tutorials that we have, including this one. And it's going to have ways to contact us. So it'll have our email address. It'll also just say that you can message us through Etsy, and it'll have our terms and conditions of use. So make sure you read all the way through that so you are familiar with everything. So for today, again, we're going to go over templates. So once you open this up, you just want to click on the link that you're wanting to use. And so the templates are going to pop up inside of Canva. And so the first thing that I like to do once I'm inside Canva, you definitely are going to want to make a copy of these links. That way, if you get to editing and changing things around, you always have, the original of these templates somewhere in your Canva account. And these templates can only be used in Canva. They cannot be used in any other editing software. So you can upload these templates to a free account, but I'm going to show you some different things that you're going to need either a pro account for, or you can use other software online like Pixlr to remove backgrounds and things like that. So first, if you just want to go to the menu bar of what you've just downloaded, you'll see this make a copy button. Just click on that, make a copy, and then you'll have a copy with all of your originals, and you can always go back to it if you mess something up. So, but open it up, and this is what your big balloon garland template looks like. It's got 30 plus different templates. So we're going to all the time be adding things to this folder. So if there's a current trend that's happening or just something new that we've seen that we love that we think you might like, we're going to add that here. So you'll always have it. So these templates are laid out like this. It's a square template. Up at the top, you have these sort of represent different size balloons. So they're here really just for your convenience as you are creating. Now, you may not want to use them at all. You may just decide to go with this design here. But if you wanted to, let's say, add a balloon over here on the end. Let's say you thought you think it needs one more balloon. You just right click, copy, and then paste, and then you can drag over more balloons to the design that way. So for now, I'm just going to go with what we have here. I'm just going to kind of show you how to work with these. So in the balloon package that you've purchased, you're going to have a folder that is single balloons. And those are these round shaped objects that actually come from images of balloons, so they kind of make the balloons look realistic. And so they're very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how. So let's just say we have a flower cluster, and this is the template, and we don't want it to be pink. We want the flower petals to be purple. So we will click on the one that we want, and all you do is drag it over and you pop it into what you want to exchange it for. So you can do these by color or however you want to do it. It's that easy. That easy. We have walls, we have columns, frames, wide frames, arches, pillars, wall clusters with big balloons, wall clusters with small balloons. We have different stacks. We have mermaid tails, champagne pour, just lots of different options here. And again, you can build on these, or you can simply just use what's there and just replace the different colors. So all of these work the exact same way. So for example, if we wanted to go with this wide balloon wall and we wanted it to be purple, we're just going to do the same thing. We're just going to, drag over balloons, whatever your color theme is for your event, just kind of make it exactly how you want to make it. It's really that easy. And then once you're done with these, so you're going to need to do a couple of different things here. So you obviously, when you download, let's say this wall cluster at the top, when you want to download this, you're probably going to want to use this image in another scene. You're going to either put it on a wall or on a backdrop or something like that. So you're going to have to download this and take it out of Canva and put it into your desktop drive, into your computer, so you can use it. Unless you're using Canva. If you're using Canva and you already have, another presentation slide or something opened up, you can copy and paste it over that way. Or again, you could just download it first and then come over here to the left and upload it, and then it will be there as a different image that you can just pull over into your presentation. But before you do that, you're not going to want these pink, conveniently located different size balloons at the top. So you will want to delete these before you download. So that's just really easy. You just click and then hit the trash, or right click and delete, whichever is easier for you. So now you can download. You go up here to share and you go to download. You do want this to be a PNG. And so this is the step that I was referring to that requires either a pro account or another free program online that an example of one is called Pixlr. Pixlr. It is a background removal tool. If you have Pro, like I do, you'll click on this transparent background. I don't want to download all 31 images, so I'm going to unclick this, and I just want to download this one page. And then once you download that, if you have the Pro with a transparent background, that's a PNG. I will show you what it looks like when it pops up. I have to drag it over from my other screen. So it pops up as, the background is removed, and that's something you can download to your computer and then insert into other mockups or things like that. So I do recommend getting the pro account if you love these images and you are going to plan on using mockups for all of your clients in the future. Canva has so many great things with their pro account. You've got tons of pictures to use, tons of backgrounds to use. You can look at all the videos and find out for yourself if you want to do it or not. But there is a small monthly fee, but it is highly productive and very easy to use, and I would suggest doing that. But that is how you download. And so you pretty much do that same process with all of these different files, if you want to if you want to put those balloons back and just, let's say, work with this same template over and over and over again, you can go up here and just do undo, and it'll just put those balloons back to the top, and then you kind of have your original format that you started with. So lots of different things you can do if you want to create your own kind of template. If you found something that you like that's different or unique, and you want to use it from here on out, you can add a page, and you can copy all of these balloons over, and then you can kind of build your own. And then you have another option that maybe nobody else has. So that's an option too. Down here at the bottom, it's just a zoom in and a zoom out. If you need glasses, sometimes like me, you might want to zoom out a little bit. But these are just a few tips and tricks that you can use with Canva. Again, I think that these tools really help in lots of different ways, but ultimately our goal is just for you to be able to shine outside of your competition, and, take a few extra steps to, create really good first impressions. Humans are visual. We like textures and colors, and we like to see things as they're going to be in order to make decisions, instead of just a black and white written proposal, or maybe a copied image that you have from a previous event where you're just kind of making notes and saying, I'm going to change this or I'm going to change that. It's a lot easier if you can build something and, put it together and show them exactly what they're going to get. So these balloon templates are going to be really helpful for you. We hope you love them. If you haven't purchased yet, you can visit us at our Etsy shop. We are Eventful Style Co. If you have any questions about any of these, you can comment below, or you can simply shoot us an email at eventfulstyleco@gmail.com, or message us on Etsy. We'd be glad to help. We'd be glad to walk you through any of these tutorials, or and just answer any questions that you have, and so you can make the decision. But thanks for watching. There'll be more videos coming soon just to kind of help you go through all of your files. And thanks again, and hopefully we'll see many creative mock-ups from you in the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.